How to fix Tinder push notifications not working. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if the push notifications are not working on Tinder. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If your push notifications are not working on Tinder, you have to first enable it within settings. Open up Tinder and log in. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the option called Notifications, under which you have to select Push Notifications. Here, make sure that all of the toggles are currently enabled, and you can also enable it for each type of setting. Even after you've done this, you're not receiving notifications on Tinder, then make sure that you have enabled notifications within the Settings app. Depending upon whether you're using Android or iPhone, open up Settings, then go to the option called Notifications, go to App Notifications, and simply search for Tinder. Once you've made sure of that, make sure that you've enabled the notification access for Tinder. This way you can fix if push notifications is not working. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.